Welcome to Optimum Forex Trading. Today is Saturday, the 30th of September 2023, and I'm just going to be doing a market review for next week's trade. And let's just get all formalities out of the way. This is just my trading journal and is for entertainment purposes only, and none of the information posted here is to be used for any financial, investment or trading advice. It's just my journey where I come, I record my trades, I upload, and then I use those trades to backtest my strategy and improve on it if I need to. Okay, so just looking at the market real quick, what I'm going to do is I will clean this up so I can start again, because we are starting a new month. Okay, so looking at the month of September that we've just come out of, I can see that it's a very big, powerful, bullish candle. So going into the month of October, I believe that the market will continue its bearish leg, but it might open, trade up to an inefficiency that's sitting in here somewhere. Apologies for that, my network. So it will trade up to an inefficiency that's sitting in here somewhere, maybe up to this order block that it will use as resistance, and then start its bearish leg, going for this swing low or going to fill this BC. That's what I'm looking for. And if it looks like it really wants to keep on going down, it might be coming for this swing low here. But we play it by ear as the days go. And this is just a monthly candle. So let me mark my order block, possible resistance for the beginning of the month of October. And then I am going to drop down to the weekly as soon as my network allows me to do that. It can be frustrating sometimes trying to trade when this is happening, but what to do? Okay, there we go. Right, we also have this order block here, but this candle looks like it's going to trade below this anyway, so I will not highlight this. Instead, I will highlight this monthly BC, because the market might want to come to the midpoint of it, which is consequent encroachment, maybe work its way up a bit and then continue down further if it's going to be a powerful bearish candle. Okay, so let me just drop down to the weekly now. Righty, okay, just looking at the weekly candle, I had highlighted this BC here before, and it looks like market did trade to the top of this 6 March candle, which is here. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen that market did come there, and I had placed my buy limit order there, but I wasn't tagged in, and market continued up and closed the month of September with this closing price. You look up here, so closing price for this candle was at 21,993 on Friday. So this is the month of September closed here. So month of October will open, maybe come to fill this inefficiency here, if it's and also maybe try to come up to also test this order block that we just highlighted on the monthly. If it's going to go further, it might be coming for this order block here and then maybe make its way down, though I don't think it's going to come all the way up here, but I don't know. All I know is next week I'm not trading anything bullish. I am going to wait for the market to finish its bullish leg, meaning it's open the high of the month. As soon as it creates the high of the month and shows me willingness to want to go bearish, I'm going to be bearish next week. So my bearish bias is still there for the month of October, but only after the candle shows me willingness to go bearish. Okay, so let me just highlight this point that the CB that's up here. This is on the weekly time frame, so we change the color to red, because bearish for me is red and bullish for me is green. So this is the weekly CB. And let's also highlight the midpoint of the weekly CB, because price might want to come and test it. There's another CB here if you notice on the weekly, so let me highlight that as well, just in case it's going to trade above this order block that's on the monthly. So that's a weekly one as well. Okay, and then I will measure this midpoint of this CB, which is here. Right, that's the midpoint. So I can remove that tool here and then just use the midpoint of the of the rectangle that I drew out. So this is the midpoint. So market, when it opens in October, could open here, open, go up, maybe try to reprice this CB. That's if it goes above this order block. We actually can mark this wick as well. Let's mark the midpoint of this wick, which is mean threshold, if you remember. So this is the mean threshold of the order block. Okay, right, so if price opens and then starts coming up and trades above the bottom of the order block, and also goes above the consequent encroachment of this CB, it might be coming up to the mean threshold of this wick here and start making its way down. If it trades above it, it might be going for this weekly CB and make its way down. But like I said, we are bearish in October as well. Let's just drop down to the daily real quick and look at price from this angle. As you can see, these are our swing levels that we highlighted above. So this is a swing level. So again, it could be coming to this swing level that it will use as resistance and make its way down, or it will be coming here to this order block as well. And there is a CB here. So these are all in confluence with the higher time frame price action. So we will watch. I am just going to watch this zone and watch this zone and look at price. If price looks like it actually is now ready to go bearish, that's where I'm going to put my sell limit order and maybe ride down to this monthly BC or even this daily BC or here, because my target for phase 2 is $500, or I'll just write down to $500. That's it. So let's look at the other assets in the meantime, and let me clean this up as well. Oh, there aren't any drawings in euro, so that's okay. So let's go up to the monthly on euro. Okay, right, here we go. Again, a very strong bearish candle. So I'm bearish on euro the month of October, coming towards this to fill this inefficiency here, which is a BC. So this is my next draw on liquidity for the month of October. I won't be analyzing in detail these other asset classes because I don't trade them. So, but I'm bearish on euro to come and reprice this BC, and if it trades any lower, it's coming for the liquidity that is sitting below this swing low, which is sell side. So that's for the month of October. Let's go into US 30. Again, we go up to the monthly. Okay, alrighty, we've got drawings on US 30. Okay, so here we go. US 30, yeah, draw on liquidity is at this swing level or this swing level. There's a very, very, very powerful bullish candle here on US 30. So again, because I don't trade this, it is just a quick analysis, or it could range, because you see it looks like we're in a consolidative phase, isn't it? So it could continue consolidating, and US 30 is actually an uptrend. Can you see this? Yeah, US 30 has been going up. However, it hasn't traded like this these months here from July and August, they haven't traded above January 2022 and December 2021 high. So it's possible that with the it's possible, can you see this, that swing? This didn't trade above that, and it looks like it's now starting its bearish leg. So it's possible that the trend has changed for US 30 and we are now seeing a bearish trend or a bearish run lower. So judging from this, I think we actually starting to go down on US 30, so I'm bearish on that. And let's look at US 100 real quick. I'm just going to do the monthly ones because of time. Again, US 100 didn't trade or above November 2021 or December 2021 or January 2022. If you look at July and if you look at August as well didn't trade above July. So this could be a change in the direction of the market, drawing lower towards sell side here after filling. This gap was filled after filling this gap as well, maybe this drawn liquidity before taking this one, before coming to reprice these zones. That's US 100. We are on the monthly time frame, so I'm just using the monthly just to keep this recording a bit short. So let's go on the monthly on US 500 as well. And you can see US 500 as well didn't close above this swing, so we could be seeing a bearishness for quite a while in these asset classes. Okay, it looks like it actually repriced this BC. So same thing, I mean, it will open up, go up maybe to fill this inefficiency or reprice it right there, this little gap here, maybe up to about midpoint of this wick here, and then start making its way down to come to these swing levels and maybe lower. And then let's look at DX100 on the monthly. Again, I will just remove the drawings. Okay, and DXY looks like it is going up to completely reprice this CB, and if it continues up, it's going for buy side above here, those levels that we spoke about before, because it's probably going for this buy side here, right there, if it continues up. So the buy stops around above here on the monthly. That's July 2001, and this one here in January 2002, quite a few years ago, isn't it? So if DXY keeps going up, then it's coming for these. This is the monthly time frame. So maybe with DXY, let's go down a bit lower just to analyze it on the weekly as well. As you can see right here, we are on our way to reprice this CB, and if we trade above it, we are on our way to grab the buy stops above here, and it might open up on the weekly, come and reprice this small little gap that it left. This is the month, the weekly, maybe come down a bit to reprice some levels and then continue on its bullish leg. So we've got DXY going up, US 500 down, US 100 down, US 30 down, Euro down, and cable down. So since I trade cable, I will keep my cable chart open, and then Tuesday I'll come in and just do an analysis, and if I feel like the market is bullish on Tuesday, I won't trade it. And Wednesday I'll come in again and just do a review and an analysis again. If I feel like the market is not giving me any bearish indication, I won't trade. I'll wait for Thursday, and if Thursday doesn't show me any bearishness, I won't trade next week. I will then look at trading the week after. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you on Tuesday. Bye bye.